Hello everyone, good evening. Here's Evita. It was a very long day for me today. I just came back from a choir rehearsal. And this morning, I checked the weather forecast for the week and it doesn't really look very good. Today was still sunny and very nice, so I harvested everything what I can harvest. A lot of figs, some veggies, and I prepared a light dinner, some dessert from what I harvested, and I also started drying some figs and continued drying some Asian pears that I harvested last week. So if you'd like, please join me, and as always, enjoy the video. It is a very beautiful day today, and I will be harvesting the figs. There are a lot up there that are already picked on by the birds and eaten by the wasp, which is okay. I can't reach them anyway. So I'll be just harvesting the ones down here.
I started drying some figs. There are just too many. I wasn't expecting that anymore. My main harvest month is usually in June, early July. But since the weather wasn't really ideal for them to ripen, I guess, it dropped most of the figs in June and July. I only had very few figs that I harvested in June. And now it's end of September and there are just too many ripening. So I already baked 2 fig tarts, froze them for winter around December. And this is my first load of the figs and I'll probably make another load. We already ate a lot of fresh figs and maybe I can make some ice cream. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's free figs and it's healthier than snacking potato chips.